Join me as I take on the challenge of ordering food at a restaurant like a pro. Let's see if I can impress the waiter with my skills. When it comes to dining out, there's one crucial skill that can make all the difference between a mediocre experience and a one, ordering food like a pro. Mastering this skill can elevate your entire dining experience, making you feel more confident, more knowledgeable, and more in control. So, let's dive in and explore the art of ordering food like a pro. We've all been there, sitting at a restaurant, staring at a menu that might as well be written in a foreign language, feeling overwhelmed and intimidated by the sheer number of options. Or, worse, feeling like we're bothering the waiter staff with our endless questions about the specials or ingredients. Maybe we're worried about looking silly or uninformed, so we play it safe and order the same old dish we always get. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? With a few simple strategies, you can overcome these common challenges and become a dining pro in no time. One of the most frustrating experiences is when the waiter asks, "What can I get for you?" and we're stuck staring blankly, unsure of what to say. It's like our brains just freeze up, and all we can muster is a pathetic, "I'll just have the burger, please." But the truth is, this moment is an opportunity to shine, to show the waiter that you're a knowledgeable and savvy diner. So, what can you do to avoid this awkwardness? The answer lies in preparing ahead of time, taking a few minutes to scan the menu online before you arrive at the restaurant. This way, you can identify a few dishes that catch your eye, research any unfamiliar ingredients, and even plan out your questions in advance. Another challenge many of us face is feeling intimidated by the waitstaff. We worry that they're judging us, that they're thinking, "Ugh, these people have no idea what they're doing." But the truth is, waiters are there to help you, not to judge you. They want you to have a great experience, and they're happy to answer any questions you might have. So, don't be afraid to ask for recommendations or clarification on a particular dish. Remember, it's okay to not know everything, and the waiter is there to fill in the gaps. Of course, there's also the age-old problem of special requests. Whether you're gluten-free, vegan, or just plain picky, it can be intimidating to ask for modifications to your meal. But the truth is, restaurants are used to accommodating special requests, and they're happy to do so. The key is to be clear and confident when making your request, saying something like, "I have a gluten intolerance, can you recommend any dishes that would be suitable for me?" Or, "I'm a vegan, can you substitute the cheese for a vegan alternative?" So, what's the secret to ordering food like a pro? It all boils down to confidence, knowledge, and a willingness to ask questions. By taking the time to prepare ahead of time, being clear about your requests, and not being afraid to ask for help, you can transform your dining experience and impress even the most seasoned waitstaff. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own dining experiences in the comments below. Have you ever had a particularly awkward or disastrous ordering experience? Share your story, and let's chat about it. And if you want to learn more about restaurant etiquette and how to dine like a pro, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.